Learn how to use the poll for the voting purpose. First, we need to log in with your club credential, your club username and password, and then we need to go to the poll. First of all, I want to clear that this is our agenda tool, and agenda tool is our master tool. All the information that is created in agenda. For example, we created one latest meeting, that is 222 meeting, for just example. Now this 221 meeting, all the information will be shared in all these tools automatically. So let's say poll. Once I created the agenda, for the polling purpose, see here the triple two means 222 meetings is coming here. What we need to do, just you need to click on share link. You no need to fill all the information of speakers, role players and all. Just you need to copy this link and share in your group where you want to uh, share this URL. Just members will click on this URL and then this page will open. For example, you want to send this link in Zoom chat or in WhatsApp group, you can send it out. Then all the members will click on this for the voting purpose. Now it's saying that sorry, no polls is active. Please refresh the page to see the changes. It is saying because we did not activate any polls. So for example, we need now to activate the speaker poll. Just we need to click on this button, and now the speaker poll is activated. And just tell all the members to click on that link. Now the member will click on this link and see, I'm just refreshing this page. See, all the speakers are coming here because we activated only a speaker section, so that's why the speakers are coming here. How the members will vote, just they need to click on that, click on any particular speaker and then click on vote. Your vote is noted down. Once you want to change your vote, you can change it also, like just select another speaker and then you can click on that. It's saying that vote changed successfully to the particular member. So once after 20 or 30 seconds, you need to just deactivate this speaker section, speaker button. So this link will start, yeah, this link will stop working. So now once you need to just go for the evaluator section, you need to activate the for evaluator poll. You need to activate the evaluator button, and then now again tell the members to click on the link and see all the evaluators list is coming here. The same process, you need to just click on any member and you need to vote it out. Here you can see all the results. Click on view. See, I just clicked on I voted for the speaker, means the one vote saying showing here to the one particular speaker, and one vote should show to the evaluator. All the numbers will show here how many votes we get. So it is showing here. So you can check all the results on this page. This is very simple, and you no need to just make any effort to add the members, add the speakers, role players or auxiliary role players and all. So it is one of the integrated tool in this portal. I hope this tutorial help you. Thank you so much.